What is up guys, Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Base44 to your Bright data. So first you need to head over to your Base44's website and then you need to log in with your Base44's account credential. After that, when you're redirected to the homepage at the top, you need to click on integration and then you need to click on create integration. After that, you need to enter the integration name. I'll go with Bright data, and after that here in the description, I will write Bright data connection, and after writing this Bright data connection, I will just simply click on continue to integration content, and from here I will enter the secret key name and I will go with Bright data again. Now to get the API key, you need to head over to your Bright data, and then here as you can see your API key, simply click on copy API key. After when you log in and you're redirected to the home page, here you will see the API key in a pop-up. Simply copy this API key and head back to Base44 again, paste this API key and then click on Add API key. And here as you can see the API key has been added. When you're done, simply click on Save Integration to save your API key, and make sure that you just simply paste this API key here in the implementation guide and then click on Save Integration to save it. And as you can see, the integration has been created successfully. So this is how you can connect your Bright data to your Base44. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.